Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a few items that were sent to me by Logitech. I am more than pleased to be adding these items to my setup as they are a step into a more ergonomic solution. As a developer, I try to put ergonomics as my top priority for my home office. So first off, we're going to be unboxing the MX Keys for Mac. This keyboard comes in two variations, one that is cross-compatible with both Apple and Windows laptops. However, I only work on Apple computers, so I chose the MX Keys for Mac. Right off the bat, I could tell this was going to be a higher quality keyboard. The keyboard weighs 2.5 pounds and has a metal finish. I currently own a mechanical keyboard, and so right now I'm used to typing on a more elevated keyboard. However, I have noticed it does hurt my hands after a while, especially in these colder months. One of the things that drew me to the MX Keys was that the keys aren't extremely elevated, and they allow for my fingers to easily glide from key to key. There's also bevels in the keys that makes it a slight more comfortable when you're just resting them. This keyboard also comes with a USB adapter and a USB-C cable. The keyboard also has this cool feature that the backlight will turn on if it senses a hand approaching it. When laying flat, the keyboard has a tapered design so it sits more flush to your desk. Sadly, there aren't any adjustable feet for elevating the keys to be at a higher angle, but that's why I opted for the MX Palm Rest. The Logitech MX Palm Rest is made up of memory foam wrapped in leatherette strikes. It is a good height to match the MX Keys and still provides comfort for the long durations that I am typing. Lastly, we have the MX Master 3. I've never had a Pro mouse before, and I've always been the one to go for the more flashy type of mouse, whatever the plural is. This mouse lets you pair up to 3 different devices and makes switching between them just a push of a button. The mouse also comes with a USB-C cable. The mouse has 2 scrolls for both vertical and horizontal scrolling. On the side there are 2 programmable buttons, and on the top there's a button for creating gestures on the Mac. Overall, the combination of the MX Keys, Master 3, and Palm Rest really pull in an aesthetic that I love and one that is familiar to any Mac user. By adding these to your setup, you get the luxury of enjoying their high quality, beautiful, and ergonomic features. This was just a first look and unboxing of these items, but I already know that they'll be a personal favorite of mine for some time to come. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you've made it this far, leave a comment of what you'd like to see from me in the future. Thank you for watching!